So organic chemistry, first year chapter revision program, revised schedule is there. In that first chapter is organic chemistry in second rank. Okay. So what is organic chemistry? So generally organic chemistry is chemistry of hydrocarbons and its derivatives. Okay. Chemistry of hydrocarbons and its derivatives is called organic chemistry. Chemistry of hydrocarbons and its derivatives. Okay. And carbon is the constituent element in all organic compounds. Due to its high catenation ability, it forms many compounds with different elements. Okay. So especially with halogens, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Okay. So carbon forms many compounds. So with hydrogen, in hydrocarbons, essential elements are carbon and hydrogen. Along with the carbon and hydrogen, in the derivatives of organic compounds, these elements are must. Halogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Okay. So with these elements, carbon forms many compounds. And you know that the very first organic compound which is prepared in laboratory is urea. So urea is the first organic compound prepared by Wohler. Okay, urea. And next organic compound is acetic acid, prepared by Kolbe. Okay. So these are the very first organic compounds which are prepared in laboratory. Okay. Then coming to classification of organic compounds. So generally organic compounds, they are classified into two types: acyclic or open chain compounds, cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. So main classification into acyclic and cyclic, open chain and ring. Okay. Then coming to acyclic or open chain compounds. So here acyclic or open chain compounds again classified into two types: saturated compounds, unsaturated compounds. Okay. Saturated compounds, they contains only single bonds. Okay. Single bond containing compounds. So alkanes, all alkanes, hydrocarbons. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Comes under acyclic compound, having general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, alkanes. So all alkanes are acyclic compounds which are saturated compounds. Next coming to unsaturated open chain compounds. So unsaturation is due to double bond and triple bond. So two types of compounds are there: alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes contains double bond. Alkynes contains triple bond. So unsaturation due to the presence of double bond in alkenes, triple bond in alkynes. Okay. So these are also acyclic compounds, open chain compounds, but having unsaturation in them. So alkenes we represent with the formula CnH2n. Alkynes CnH2n minus 2. Okay. General formula of these compounds. So all these are acyclic compounds, open chain compounds which are saturated and unsaturated. Next coming to cyclic or closed chain compounds are ring compounds. Cyclic compounds again classified into two types: homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. Homocyclic or carbocyclic, and another type of compounds are heterocyclic compounds. So first coming to homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. Homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. So here in homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds, two types of compounds are there. One is alicyclic compounds, aromatic compounds. Okay? Alicyclic compounds, these are cyclic compounds but not aromatic, non-aromatic compounds. And another type of compounds are aromatic compounds. So coming to alicyclic compounds, cycloalkanes or cycloalkanes, they comes under alicyclic compounds. Okay? For example, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, all these are alicyclic compounds. Okay? Then coming to aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds again into two types: benzene ring containing compounds and compounds without benzene ring. So these are benzenoid compounds. Benzenoid compounds which contains benzene ring. Non-benzenoid compounds without benzene ring. Then coming to benzenoid compounds, aromatic benzenoid compounds. For example, benzene, toluene, phenol. So all these are benzenoid compounds. Okay. Next coming to non-benzenoid compounds. Okay. So these are aromatic but without benzene ring. Okay. So some examples of non-benzenoid compounds: cyclopropynyl cation, cyclopentadienyl anion, azulene. Okay. So all these are non-benzenoid compounds. Okay. So all these comes under aromatic compounds of homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. Next coming to heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds again like homocyclic, these are also two types: alicyclic compounds, aromatic compounds. Okay? Alicyclic compounds are non-aromatic compounds and aromatic compounds. So alicyclic compounds. So in alicyclic compounds, for example, oxidane, oxygen containing, heteroatom. Heteroatoms are oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. These are called heteroatoms. Oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur. So here oxygen containing compounds: oxidane, oxetane, oxolane. Okay. So all these are non-aromatic alicyclic compounds. Then aromatic compounds: furan. Here heteroatom is oxygen. Furan, heteroatom oxygen. Pyrrole, heteroatom is nitrogen. Thiophene, heteroatom is sulfur. Okay. So these are heteroatoms: oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Okay. And all these are aromatic in nature. Okay. So this is about the classification of organic compounds. Okay. Next, bonding in hydrocarbons.